All right, people, how's everybody doing? Let me know if you can see me and hear me, if you can see my screen and you can see my camera. We're about to have some fun today. So let me know where you're saying hi from. First of all, let me know where you're saying hi from. And if this is the first live stream that you have. I would say that the delay for the streaming is like around 20 to 30 seconds, depending on your internet connection and depending on what other things you're doing on YouTube or your internet connection. But I'm going to give you like right now, what are the trades that we're going to be looking at? And it's not going to be like, hey, enter now. You know, you're going to have enough time to actually enter. So how's it doing? Crypto World, Dina Cow, Hot Models, I think, Mac 26 Store, Dina Cow, Novision 08, Muhammad Jinapur, Brian, Alpha One, Joshua. People saying hi from South Africa, USA, New Zealand, South Africa, Ghana, India, Ghana, Kenya, Germany, India, Cameroon, Somalia, Philippines. How's everybody doing? I hope you are doing just fine, and it's time for us to actually make some money. Right now, I'm gonna tell you what are the settings that we're gonna look at today. Hopefully, we can place at least 2 trades. One thing you should understand is that the day has been affected with 3-ball news with GBP a lot today. And we have 3-ball news right now 30 minutes ago. So I'm avoiding GBP and USD. So the pairs that I'm looking at is AUD JPY and Euro NZD. Okay, right now I'm actually going to go through the comments, but first I want to explain you what are the settings that we're going to be using today. So the first one, we have a resistance line on AUD GBP at 734423. And the support line, the one that we're focusing right now, is at 73091. If we go to 4-hour time frame, let's go 1 day time frame per candle. We're going to look that this is the support line that I'm looking at. It has been respected in a daily chart. Then we go to 4 hours and also respected over here. And then we go with 1 hour. And of course, it was respected if it was respected in 4 hours. There you go. Here we have the bouncing in 1 hour candles. And then now that we look at what is the support and resistance, we change it to 15 minutes and wait. And we're going to wait for it to actually touch this candle, this level. I already have an alert. And then it's going to come up. Right now, let me explain this Euro NZD and set up your charge for 14:15 GMT. Because once it touches this resistance line, we're going to enter for a put for 15 and for 30 minutes. Okay. Now, if we change it to 4 hours, we're going to look at this is the resistance lines. Do you see? It's being respected in here. Yeah, it's not as respected over here, but I think it's a good resistance, and we don't have that many options today, actually, to be honest. So I'm just going to focus on these 2 pairs. We want to make money. We don't want to trade, overtrade. So what hour we still see the resistance being respected in this area. There you go. You see? And then we change it to 15 minutes and we get ready to trade. Okay? So right now, what we're waiting, and the support line is here, but I don't think it's actually gonna come. I don't think we're gonna be able to see it touch the support line in Euro NZD and not the resistance on AUD JPY. But these are the 2 pairs. You should have some horizontal lines on the pairs. If you only have one chart, depending on what broker you're using, for example, I'm using IQ option right now. I have like 2 pairs open. There you go. My camera, I'm gonna move it. I don't know where to move it though. I think I'm gonna leave it there. You can see me right, good, right? Maybe I'll move it here. I guess it's fine, right? The camera is in there fine, because I don't want you to not see me, right? Okay, so it's getting really closed. Okay, so once again, once it touches 9753. I think I have this one a little higher. 97. Where I'm at? I can't see my actual number. Hold on. I think that it's right there, 955. Okay, so once he touches, we're gonna enter for 1415, and if we have the chance, we're gonna enter for 1430 GMT as well. Okay, these are not turbo trades. Okay, this is support and resistance. Yeah, 3-ball news are kind of crappy today, but we still can make some money. And I wasn't gonna, just suspend this live streaming because of the stupid news. We're gonna rule the market. We start at $321. By the way, if you're not in my BLW Signals group, you should go to blwsignalsgroup.com and join today. I think, you know what? I'm going to send you a signal right now. What do you guys think? Do you want me to send a signal? I'm going to put right here, Euro NZD put. Oh, by the way, this is binary. Binary. SR is 1.69753 or above. And the expiry is 1415 or and 1430 GMT. Let me get the color. I think I'm gonna do a black one. Okay. This is the signal. Do you guys see the signal? There you go. This is the signal. All right. I actually put it on the screen so that you can actually see the signal and take it. And I'm gonna add another one. And this is going to be binary as well. AUD JPY. Call. And this is SR 73.01 or below. And the expiry time is 1415 GMT and 1430 GMT. We might just jump and go even to 1445, but I think, I'm sorry, I'm not looking that much at the comments right now. I'm just trying to give you guys the signals. There you go. So now we have the signals in the screen, right? So it would be cool. It's actually going to be easier for you to follow signals. Does everybody agree? Hopefully you do. This one is about, both of them are about to touch. So stay focused, and once they touch, you can enter the trade. Right now, I can't explain stuff right now, but I'm gonna enter a trade right now. Did it touch? Not yet, right? We were missing like 1 pip or something like that. I'm going to change my chart in 5 minutes in IQ option. There you go. Boom. Okay, so we entered the first trade. I think we enter just a little bit low. So I enter for 1415. And there you go. The alert has been sent. And if this candle closes too high, I'm not going to enter for 1430. But if it does, I'm going to enter. Okay, I just enter as well for AUDJPY. Okay, AUDJPY is activated for 1415. Just enter for 1415 right now. Okay. We can see later on if it's worth it to enter for 1430. And just remember that today the markets are not looking good. There are too many news, And this is an uptrend, okay? That's the reason why I'm telling you just to enter for 14.15. If it was a downtrend, we will enter for sure. And this is a downtrend. So we're going against the trend in these two pairs. I'm confident that we're going to do good. But let's be patient and enter minimum, all right? I just entered with 5% of my balance on each of the trades, all right? So don't risk more than that. If you can get a better SR, then go ahead and do it. If you haven't entered right now, for example, at AUDJPY, you can enter and you're going to enter below the level. As well with Euro NZD, you can enter above the level in these pairs, okay? Did anybody enter for 14.15? Australia, how you doing? Okay, let me go through the comments right now that you guys are looking. Okay. Tell me how to set the GMT time and where, in your computer or in IQ option? Can you refresh the question just a little bit? What are the SR? I actually put the signals over there in the screen, so you should be looking at it. Are you using 15-minute candles? Sorry, quality is relatively bad, so I cannot see it clearly. Try to switch it because this streaming is actually at 1080p. So change your resolution on YouTube to 1080p. And yes, I'm using 15-minute candles. SR again. Okay, take a look at AUD USD 2 month and tell me we entered the trade. I'm gonna look at it once we finish with these trades. It's looking good, to be honest with you. It's looking good for 14.30. So I'm going to enter for 14.30, enter minimum. Only what you can afford to lose, okay? Only what you can afford to lose. 14.30, I think he's going to jump a little more. There you go. Perfect. Only what you can afford to lose, please. Don't let your emotions control you. I'm pretty sure it's actually going to go in the direction that I predicted. Probably we can lose one, but we're going to win the other ones. All right. Australia, when is the admins live session? Admins are giving webinars, not all weeks, but we announced them privately in the BLW Signals group. Bless up. You're a hero. Thank you, Charlie. Australia, Mountain Man. What else we have? What is a good time to train binary options in Australia, in South Africa? Anytime is good as long as you avoid rebull news. Hey, 140 people watching. Make sure you smash the like button if you're enjoying this live streaming. We're just hitting 12 minutes right now, but if we win these trades, we're probably going to be here for over an hour. So make sure you show your love to the BLW world. It did. Okay. You enter for both. Awesome. Adrian and Mahama. You enter Chris. That's cool. 14.15 GMT. Awesome. Malaysia. Enter both. Imran says, Christian, with the change of admins timings, we're missing signals for almost all admins except Prezat. I could close the pairs at admin timings. Try to get a different broker. Oh, we have a second hater. Welcome, hater. How you doing, hater? I know you're there. Okay, we're looking at the same two pairs in here. What are we doing here? Okay, there you go. I think we're gonna lose the Euro NZD for 15 minutes. I think. I'm not 100% sure, but I kind of think we kind of enter too low maybe for 14.15. But we're going to be in the money for 14.30. BLW, we need days like yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was awesome. Kenya, Guru India, enter both. AUDJPY took a call for 30 minutes. Awesome. We're going to see the results right now. Euro NZD looks like it's going to be a loss, all right? Don't get frustrated. It happens. Are the admin sessions going to be on YouTube or BLW? Only BLW, not on YouTube. Coach of nothing. Chris, please tell us how to change the time zone, like same as you have, please. But are you asking me change the time zone where? In IQ option. If it's in IQ option, you can go to the settings and this button right here and go to, let me see, where is it? Because I don't fully remember. There you go, time zone, and you choose UTC, this one, Freetown. UTC and 0, and that's it. This one's struggling right now, AUDJPY. But the cool thing is that if you enter for 1430 at a good SR, you're going to be good to go. And with this one, we're going to set a new support line and also here a new resistance line. Although this one, I do think it's not going to drop that much, to be honest with you. Like I said, this is an uptrend. Okay, we lost both of them. That sucks. There you go. Which one is it? Okay, cool. So we have 2 actives right now for 1430. We didn't start good. Some of you got in the money. That's awesome. Time zone. Okay, I think Coach of Nothing, let me know if you actually got it, how to change it. You asked 3 times already. Leos, okay. Kenya, in the money, AUDJPY. Yeah, if you guys got a better SR than myself, you definitely got an in the money with these, so that's awesome. But the SR, the original SR, was actually a loss. Try to get a better SR if you guys will enter for the next trade. And try to invest, really low. Please tell us how to trade 2-minute strategy and support and resistance combined, please. I have a video about it. Try to look 2-minute strategy, support and resistance, and you're gonna find my video in regards to it. Signing up for BLW right now. Are the sessions recorded in case I missed plenty? What sessions? The signal sessions? No. These sessions, this session is gonna be on YouTube. I changed the broker, but believe me, the broker's payout is really low, sometimes 10, 20%. Yeah, that's true. Try to look for a broker with a higher payout, such as it could be Expert Option, Binary Cent. In the money, good. I'm glad you guys made money. Awesome. I'm glad that you guys actually enter for a good, better SR than myself. I actually was recording a training yesterday in regards to how to follow signals, which you guys will be able to see soon. And I was teaching you exactly how to get a better SR than the signal provider. So that's actually awesome. So far we have, I have 2 out of the money. Some of you made some money, but I have 2 out of the money. We're going to see and wait. And if we lose these 2, we're not going to continue, that's for sure. But yeah. Admin live sessions, no, I'm not recording them because I'm making them exclusive for members of the group, so I'm not gonna share them. So if you really want to be part of the live sessions and the webinars from the admins, you got to be part of the BLW Signals group. We're gonna continue with them, not on a daily or weekly basis specifically, but we want to make it more consistent. Okay. Pocket option has a good payout sometimes. Sometimes it kind of crap. Sometimes they even have like 30%. So you got to choose depending on what schedules you have. You know what I mean? Charts are not looking good right now. Whew. Looking pretty tight, huh? In the money, awesome. Both pairs in the money for 2 minutes, awesome. 1430, awesome. Media buy-in. Let's see how we do, because I'm with you right now. Honestly, I'm not looking at good movement right now at these pairs. Too many news. No, they're not recording at the BLW site. How you doing, David from Nigeria? Are you going to be involved in these markets only in this session? Not sure what you mean. David, shout out my name, of course. Connection failure here, missed everything. Well, we just lost a couple trades, so you probably should feel like a winner. Best blocker and expert option trading. Best blocker. I'm not sure what you mean, Jimmy. Imran's right. Yeah, pocket option has some crappy payouts. Yeah, actually the signal is for 1430 and for 1450 and 1430 GMT. I'm not going to look for more signals unless we win these ones. We still have 10 minutes to go, but I'm not looking at that much hope, to be honest with you, unless something weird happens within the next 5 minutes. We still have 5 minutes, 10 minutes to go, but if I don't look at a good movement in 2 minutes, then I don't think. Let me add the 2-minute strategy and see if there might be something going on, something that tells us, you know what? It kind of looks like within the next 10 minutes, the Euro NZD is going to drop and the AUD JPY is going to jump. This is according to the 2-minute strategy, right? But we can do a combination just to see the prediction of the next few minutes. Tomorrow, due to Brexit, do we expect high volatility? Yes. Even Jawad, one of the admins, the one for Forex, sent an alert saying you should be not trading with that much money tomorrow. Hey Chris, you're awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Don X. Hey, smash the like button if you're enjoying this live streaming. You can ask me questions right now in regards to the strategy, in regards to expiration, in regards to money management. Right now that we're waiting for the trade to expire, you can ask me as many questions as you want in regards to manual trading, of course. And smash the like button if you like this streaming. Netherlands, how you doing? Curious how you doing? It says called Deep Sharma. Arvind from India. What's my favorite strategy? It's support and resistance. That's for sure. Support and resistance is my favorite strategy. AUD USD before you and AUD USD. There were USD news less than 1 hour ago, so I don't recommend you to go with the AUD USD. Am I the only one or everyone getting buffer problem? I think you're the only one. Might be your internet connection. If you're watching other videos on YouTube or downloading something, make sure you pause it while you're looking at this streaming. Is it possible to use demo for the BLW signals? Will it work the same? Yeah, it will work the same. And if you practice as much as you can with the demo account, it will be way better for you actually. You're doing a great job by educating the group. Keep it up. Thank you. Thank you. That's basically the main target, to educate you guys. All right. Big fan of your thing. Awesome. Fazil Alim. Awesome video. How do you know exactly which market is going to be good to trade on a particular time? By looking at the news. I look at the news. That's the first thing. You look at the news at theinvesting.com and see whether there are 3-ball news or not. So for example, right now we have USD 3-ball news and we have GBP 3-ball news during the day. Right now here there are no the pairs that we're looking at to see, but I also look at here trying to see if there's a strong sell, strong buy, because it basically means like what is going on. So for example, you can go to hourly and see, oh, okay, so this is what's going on in an hourly basis with the pairs. It doesn't really affect that much, but it does help you to actually understand what's going on in the market. Then I go into the actual pair and start looking for opportunities and looking at the support and resistance being respected. There are many things, but that's basically the things that I do. Below means below. Don't enter here, try to enter below. What is the best broker for Forex? I like Autotraders, Plus 500, eToro. Any of them are good. Cool. What do you mean SR or below? Okay, I don't think you don't know how to follow signals. So there's a video actually that I made that it says how to follow signals, and try to look at it and you're gonna love it because there's a lot of information in there. We still have 6 minutes to go. In the next 3 candles, it should be dropping, but if it doesn't, we're gonna lose these 2 trades and we're gonna need to wrap it up for today. Unless you guys want to get some education with demo, we can do that for about 15 more minutes, but I'm not going to trade anymore. Lost already, like 20% of my balance, so I'm not going to trade anymore. We need to recover as soon as possible. I don't think Thursdays are the best days to trade right nowadays at 14 GMT. I think we should change it, but I don't know. What is more profitable, Forex or binary? Depending on your strategy. Hold on, the comments went away. Okay, I'm not going to trade today or tomorrow. Market's very weird. True that, I agree. We're looking at a proof right now. Do you recommend trading Forex in IQ option? No, I don't. I don't like the Forex spread in IQ option, to be honest. Is it recommended to have more than one account with IQ option? No, it's not recommended. They might just block you if you have more than one account. Do you have a video for the best hardware setup for trading? No, not really, but I could make one, but you don't need that much, actually. Right here, I have a not a supercomputer, but it's kind of expensive, like $3,000 something, but it's because I edit video in 4K and stuff, and I game a lot. We have a new hater. I understand that you guys are not liking this video because we're not making profits, but as long as you learn, that's the main reason why I do these streamings, not to make money. Do you have a video? Okay. Thank you for taking your time to teach us. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for the live. Thank you a lot. I have personal MasterCard, but it won't do the transaction online. That's the only card I have. Can I use someone else's card and still join the Signals group? No, unfortunately, no. That would be fraudulent activity. So no. Chris, in one video, you gave us a teaser of the new software. Give some updates. It's still being worked on, but February, definitely, we're going to launch it. Stay tuned. Stay tuned to the Facebook page, which is the place where we actually send some sneak peeks. What about FBS broker? I don't know it, to be honest with you. I have referred a couple of friends to join our Signals group and to take the academy because it helped me a lot. Also, thank you, Imram. I appreciate it. Weebly Rock says Sidhan will send us money rain to recover. That's for sure. That's for sure. Try to look, when you trade live with me, don't just focus on how much money you're going to make, but also how much knowledge and experience you can get from my trading, okay? You don't always win. There was a day when I lost $12,000, if I'm not mistaken, in one trading session due to 3-ball news, and I didn't see the 3-ball news. I didn't read it. You know, I didn't get prepared, and I lost $12,000 in one day. That hurt. Okay, right now, what, $60? It's fine. All right, it's fine. And I'm going to continue doing these live streamings with real money. And trust me, it's not that easy to trade and also to be doing live streaming. It's kind of hard, but I don't really care as long as you guys are learning. That's the main reason of these streamings. So whether you make money or whether you learn something, okay? A new hater to the list. Thank you. And you think about recording the live sessions and have a webinar section on the BLW side where we can learn more? Yes, but they're going to be my sessions only. And they're going to be private for the BLW Signals group. So we have Turbo traded on Euro since it's going up. And I lost right now. Okay, not Turbos. New hater, again, thank you. Yeah, the ones that are given the dislikes because we're losing trades, you shouldn't really join the next session, you know? Probably just, you know, trade on your own or something like that. You're not really welcome here. And people don't like me because I'm too honest, but that's the truth. You're not welcome here if what you're looking for is just easy money. I recommend you to either take the academy for free and then continue with your life. Let me see the questions. Thanks for all your help so far. Explain 3-ball news. 3-ball news, you can find them over here in investing.com. This is the let me remove the text. Yeah. And yeah. Okay, investing.com/economic-calendar. This is where you go. And what you do is just I change it to my current time frame, my personal time frame, and then you look at the news of the day. You can even look at the week. and see all the terrible news that are going to be happening during the day. This is just a general look, of course, of what's going to happen during the week. So if you notice, from 6 a.m. we have a bunch of terrible news. 6:30 another terrible news. 7:30 terrible news. Tubal news at 7:30 again. Tubal news at Euro. Tubal news at JPY, and terrible news at CNY during the day. So it's been crazy about terrible news today. This is how you read it. When you see terrible news, or even if you're a very new trader and you see tubal news, you don't enter. Okay, you don't trade. Try to enter with stable market. This is how you read it. The market is going on the opposite direction, so we're definitely gonna lose this one. It's about 1 minute. I'm Kenny. Also, which broker do you use, please? I use an IQ option right now. I also use expert option, and I use pocket option. Also raise option and binary sim, but not that much. Is all-in trade safe? Yes, it is safe. Your 2-minute strategy is the best. It's benefit me a lot. Awesome. On Tuesday, by the way, on Tuesday, I'm having another live streaming at 14 GMT using the 2-minute strategy. I don't know if I'm going to do it to 15 GMT because 14 GMT seems to be crappy in the market. But next Tuesday, stay tuned. I'm going to have another streaming, but this one is only for the 2-minute strategy or 5-minute strategy. So make sure you actually are subscribed to the channel and have the notifications activated. Okay. I would love to see your setup. I'm going to do it sometime. Okay. I'm going to do it. I promise. Probably on a Sunday video. Philippines. Thank you very much for your strategies that you teach us. Awesome. BidMode Pro, any good? Again, not going to talk about BidMode Pro, but I do have to do some research. How many touches on the support and resistance should we see to actually take the trade? Take a look at my video, support and resistance. You're going to love it because there I explain you not only how many times, but also that you should look at different time frames in order to see if the support and resistance will be respected in 50 minutes. Take it up. Here to get educated. Awesome. Happy educated in the live streaming. Is this the same account for 2 weeks ago that had 300? No, this is the same account. My Capital, a good Forex broker? No, I don't know it, to be honest with you. Totally lost with 3 trades. Yeah, we lost the trades. So if the admin gives a signal at the original SR and people enter at a better SR, but the trend ends up out of the money of the original SR, it will count as lost. Yes, even if people makes money from the signal, if the SR was not meet as in the money, it's counted as out of the money. So that's the reason why some followers have even better results than the actual SR. Let me take a look and see if Sidhan is looking for a trade right now. Sidhan is providing signals right now, huh? Let me see if we can cap a signal. Avoid haters. I love haters. They're part of my life. Follow the trend. Is that an advice or what is it? Take your time, knowledge, and your experience. Thank you. All-in trade, yeah, I already answered. How to read the news, I already answered. Thank you for your time. Awesome. Lost the trade. Yeah, I lost the trade too. Out of the money both. Yeah. How exactly did you manage to create a 2-minute strategy? Any pointers? I used it on Tuesday and I'm missing 200% profit from yesterday. Was horrible. Yeah, there are some days that are not good. That's the point. Not sure what you mean with the candlestick confirmation. Can I do now? Do what? Don't enter the trade right now. We lost it. Sidhan just provided with Forex signal. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek if you're in case you're not in the Facebook signal in the BLW signals group. Right now you're gonna see some signals from Sidhan. Use demo and keep live stream. Well, I'm not gonna keep on trading though, but I'm gonna keep on answering questions for another 7 minutes. Excited for Tuesday. Yeah, you will be interested how you read a moving average on 2-minute strategy. Yeah, we had one this Tuesday. It was really fun. Hey, smash the like button if you're still in this streaming. Too cold. Have you ever got a sponsor for your videos? You mean sponsor? I have many requests. I'm not interested. They just want to advertise their stuff. Right now is a good opportunity, you know, for AUDJPY and Euro NZD for 2 minutes once it touches the lines. Switching to demo now. Exactly. That's what you need to do. Do you recommend 20 GMT for the 2-minute strategy? Yeah. At that time, I think Harry is providing signals in the 5-minute strategy room. Why does Lester trade so late? It's a good time for his trades. If you see his session from 2 days ago, he got 6 in the money in a row. Oh, 8 in the money in a row. 8 in the money in a row. Can you imagine that? If you're in the signals group, say hi over there in the chat box. You're live on YouTube. And smash the like button, of course. The like. Use demo account. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to continue trading right now. 5 more minutes to answer questions. Thanks for this learning session. As a beginner, I learned a lot from your videos. I'm glad that you liked it. Almost 26,000 subscribers right now. January was crazy. I'm new. Musav IQ is available in India. Yeah, it is. I found that the 2-minute strategy using 5-minute candles didn't work for me. 2 candles better. So for some people, it works more in 5 minutes. For some people, it works more in 2 minutes. You know, Christopher is in there. Hi, Christian says. I'm looking at you live. Hopefully, Sidhan doesn't get nervous. You know what I'm saying? Right now is a good time to enter. You know, I'm just gonna enter with demo. With let's see. $1,000. Oh shit, I was too late. That sucks. Same here for $38,000. Oh no, $10,000. Oh shit, I entered too low. Okay. Looks like a good opportunity over here. Don't enter, all right? Don't take it as advice. I'm just playing around with the strategy itself. There you go. And demo, of course. I live in Europe and cannot trade on IQ option. Can a family member that lives in South America make an account for me? Yes, and you can trade it, but the withdrawals will need to go to the country where the account was opened. Okay. Could you create a 10-minute strategy? The thing is that in 10 minutes, there's not that much of respect from the candles. You got it in the money right now? Look, I'm making money in demo. I need to concentrate of the signal. Bye, Chris, from admins. Yeah, go ahead and follow the signals right now. I'm wrapping up as well. Thank you for being in this live streaming. Thank you for being here and for being supportive, you know, because sometimes we don't have that much of a successful trading session, but you're still in there. You're still in here and supporting and learning, which is the most important thing. Trust me. When USD CAD, Sidhan just sent a signal. I'm gonna just wrap it out so that you can get your signal. And as usual, if you don't learn, you don't earn. Okay. So stay focused. We just won the 2-minute strategy signals. And I'm glad that you guys are here. If you made money with the signals, that's awesome. And smash the like button if you enjoyed this live streaming. Thank you for being here today. Thank you. And as usual, I want to give a warm invitation to my BLW Signals group, which you will find right now in here. blwsignalsgroup.com. Thank you for being here. I'll see you next time.